Did you know you can achieve a beautiful boho locks at home without professional help? Well, today I am challenging myself to do exactly that. Hey beauty queen, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because on this channel we're all about makeup, beauty, fashion, and hair transformation. Boho locks are super trendy right now. Not only are the locks itself very beautiful, but they are versatile, low maintenance, protected style, and the best part, you don't have to spend hundreds of dollars at the salon. You can do it from the comfort of your own home. Okay, let's be real. Doing this hairstyle at home can be a little intimidating. But, I mean, how can you get the locks to look natural? What product should you be using? Is it actually beginner friendly? Those are all answers I will be providing to you today. I will walk you through the step and I will show you everything you will need for you to be able to achieve this look. All right? So, don't be afraid. Let's just get right into it. First thing first, let's talk about what you're going to need. Here are the necessities. You will need a pre-stretched braiding hair, passion twists or boho locks, crochet hair. Sometimes you get this from the beauty supply store, and it's a human hair. So basically, it will be a little pricey because it is a human hair. You can actually create this by yourself, but it's very time consuming, and your girl is on a time crunch. Like, I respect time nowadays. I don't got time to be wasting. So just pay the money. Just pay the money. It's gonna be worth it. Yes, you will need a crochet pin. You will need an edge control and a move. Okay, so you're gonna start by literally braiding your natural hair into section. Wash your hair the night before. Have a nice clean hair, and then this is the braids pattern we're going to be using. Little braiding sections in the back, a twist / snake braid in the middle. You are braiding the braiding patterns in the middle is just a roundabout. You're going to have about 4 sections of that just going in circle in the middle. This is where the crocheting is going to happen. This is a crochet method. So the goal is to crochet the hair in the middle. Why do I do that? It is going to save you a lot of time. You're going to be in and out. This method is good if you do not have a lot of time in the day, or if you're a very busy person and you just still want to get that very natural buzz braid effect. Okay, so you do the middle of the hair with the crochet method. The perimeter of your hair, this is where you want to do the buzz braid, or like the little sections. Okay, square sections. You want to braid a square section around the perimeter of your hair. This is where you're going to wrap the hair. Okay, you will see what I'm talking about. The base for this hairstyle is very significant to achieving a flawless look. Do you see the braid pattern? This part of this hair is time consuming, but I promise you, if you take time, you will literally see why it's very important to take your time with these sessions of the hair. Now I'm done with the hair. This will probably take you like an hour. This is the braiding pattern, the braid that we're going to be using today. You can get this from the beauty supply store. It have a little curlish grain to it. That's a human hair. It's a little pricey. $13 for one of this package. It have like, I think like 12 hair in it. And you probably gonna need like 6 to 7 packs of hair. It's not heavy, it's very lightweight. And this is the twist I was talking about. Passion twist or boho locks that you're gonna be using to wrap the head around. Okay, I'm sure everything you're gonna be needing right now. You're gonna need 2 packs of those. You're gonna need 6 to 7 packs of the crochet locks itself. You are gonna take the locks and crochet it into your hair. This is why it's called the crochet method, y'all. Pay attention. But anyways, so once you crochet that, you're gonna take that passion twist and just wrap it around the hair. Do you see what I'm doing? You are using the crochet pin to attach the boho locks into your hair, and you are taking the additional passion twist and you are wrapping the additional string loosely to create that natural flawless look. This is exactly how you're gonna do it. That's it. Easy breezy. That's about it. I'm extra, so I did got some cutters just to mix it in, and you're just gonna go in the middle and crochet. Once you're done that, y'all, I'm telling you, it come out flawless. Okay, moment of truth. Moment of truth. This is how it turned out, y'all. I did that. Like, I love how natural and flawless this Boho Locs look. I can't believe I did this, y'all. Yes, I did that. Anyways, what do you guys think? Will you try this at home? Drop a comment below and let me know. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because I got so much in store, videos and tutorial for y'all, and I can't wait to share all of the tips and style. I love this look. Like, I'm feeling myself. Bye, y'all.